Hey guys, this is gonna be an emotional video for me because I'm moving for college. So, come back with me. Okay, so nag-start na akong mag-fold ng mga clothes ko. And this is my suitcase. Diyan ko lalagay yung mga gamit ko. So, nakapag-start na naman akong maglagay sa suitcase. Ayan na siya. So, nag-search ako ng mga folding hacks para marami akong malagay sa suitcase. Kasi maliit lang yung suitcase ko. Ayan, I don't know if kitang-kita. So, sa baba, inuna ko yung mga pants ko. Ayan. I can't help but feel very emotional. I don't know, guys. But it's normal kasi I grew up with my fam and now I'm leaving. Not for long, or maybe, we don't know. But like, this is the first time I'm going to be alone for a very, very long time. Especially na sa place na wala akong kilala. And I'm not familiar with. And hindi ako marunong magbiyahe. So, good luck to me. Ayan. I only pack the yung mga gagamitin ko talaga na mga clothes. Yung pangbahay, panglabas, stuff like that. And, okay, I'm almost done. And bukas na pala guys, magpapabunot ako ng ngipin. 2 ngipin. Sa baba, kasi, siya guys. Wait lang. I'm struggling. Oops. I feel like all of my clothes can fit. Yep, I did it. And some of the stuff can go at the top. Wait, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is my situation right now. And ginanito ko siya pag-fold, guys. Alam niyo yan, para makapagtipid ako sa space dito sa luggage. So, eto siya. Ginanyan ko lang yan siya. So, actually, marami na to siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 20 clothes na nandyan na. Diba, nakakatipid ako ng space. Tapos, ganyan lang kaliit yung nakuha niya sa luggage. And we have this big space pa here. So, ito na yung mga stuff na mga gamit ko talaga. Looking around me, guys, I feel very emotional inside. I'm a very person. I may not show it, but I really do love my parents, the people who are always around me, my friends. But, that's part of life. You gotta leave your comfort side, to take opportunities for a better future. And, ginagawa ko to para sa future ko and future ng family ko. Kasi umaasa talaga sila sa akin. So, I can't let them down. To my future self, let's go. Kaya natin to. I low-key forgot na may malalaki para akong pants, guys. So, kunin natin yun siya. Kasi I realized na puro shirts lang yung nalagay ko sa luggage ko. So, it may take some space kasi makapal yung mga pants na ginagamit ko. And they're up here. Ito, yung space na to. And this one, inukay ko to, guys. Super, super amazing nito. Bet ko siya. I think that's it. Bibili na lang ako doon if wala na talagang choice. Kasi wala din naman talaga akong magandang pants. Balik-balik lang yung pants ko sa school ko, sa high school. So, ito na lang din sa college. Okay guys, I'm gonna put you over there para ang hirap din kasi mag-vlog guys na walang proper equipments. Okay, so this is how you fold it, guys. Kuha kayo ng pants like this. I-fold mo siya like that. And then, ito yung makikita mo kung ganito. Make sure na pantay lang sila, guys. Ganyan mo yan. ihiga mo siya. Then, I'll give you guys another view kasi di nyo makikita. Okay, so ito na siya. Nakahiga na siyang flat dyan. Ayan. So, gaya ng kanina na sinabi ko, kunin nyo tong gilid na to. Yung may excess. Fold mo lang yan siya para even yung side parts niya. And then, sa middle part, i-ano mo lang yan. I-fold mo lang siya ng ganito. Like that. Yan. So, middle part na yan. Change natin siya ng direction. Ganyan. Let's fix that. Ayan. So, may ganyan ka na. And then, you're gonna fold this until over there. Kayo bahala kung anong gusto nyo. Basta, I'll show you. Okay, so, ito yung ayan. Lay it flatly on a flat surface. Tapos, ganyan. Ganyan ka lang. Then, fold again. Fold again. Fold again. Fold again. So, may ganito ka na. Ganyan ka na. At para, while you're folding another one and hindi siya tong part na yan yung ipapatong yun dyan. Para hindi siya magalaw-galaw. And set this aside and then fold another one. Ganun lang yun. Let's grab some stuff in my room. Yung mga para sa self ko, yung mga lotion, stuff like that, ganun. Okay, so, nandito sila. And kunin natin yung mga kailangan ko talaga. Siyempre, yung mga lotion. Come here, Bebs. Dalawa yan sila, guys. Next, shampoo, conditioner, facial wash. Importante din to. Then, kailangan ba magpulbo? Ipikasent. Okay, so I have pulbo here. Shout out to my mom. Kasi siya na to, galing abroad to lahat, guys. Let's bring it back outside. I think that's all. Let me see if meron pa akong makikita. Toothpaste nga pala. Toothpaste. Then, I don't think I need that. Oh my god, how could I forget? Sachet and then my Dove soap. Bar soap. Okay, so I gathered all of it and here they are. And arrange lang natin siya sa luggage and yun na yun. Okay, so I kind of did a little something. Ayan. I don't know, it'll change but that'll do for now. And let's see what more I can bring. Hi guys, this is 2 days later and yes, tinamad ako mag-edit and also nakalimutan ko na kasi ako. Kasi the next day guys, nagpabunot ako ng ngipin and ito yung video. Check that out guys if hindi nyo pa na-check. Anyways, I'll end the video there since lang naman yun, packing for college lang naman yun na video. So I'll end it there and then yung pagkapunta ko talaga sa sa city, magvi-video ulit ako. So watch out for that too and check my current upload. And this is it. This is the day after I packed my things for college. And yes, this is a day later. Hindi na siya masakit guys. So, yep. Yun lang. Bye guys. Have a nice day guys.